Now, this is what most people think when they think about tomato, basil, and mozzarella. Nah, that's boring. Now, at the Kool Zone, this is what we call tomato, basil, and mozzarella, and waffles. And let me tell you, folks, this came out amazing. You'll be so surprised on what you can do when you just step outside the box. This combination right here was amazing. I recommend this right here to everyone that want to impress their guests. Let me tell you something. Put this on the table and watch it happen. Your guests will be talking about this for a long time. Trust me. All right, folks. Thank you again for watching. I love y'all. Kool Zone out. So I bet you thought I was going to leave you guys hanging. Nah, that's not the case. So check this out. This is how we're going to put this together. All right. So all you need is your standard waffle batter. Everybody makes theirs different. I make mine my way because I put my own little special ingredients in everything that I make for my future waffle ingredients, but that's another topic. But anyway, this is what we're gonna do. All you need is your standard waffle batter, right? You get yourself some fresh mozzarella, some fresh tomatoes, and some fresh basil. That's all you need. And don't forget to get some extra virgin oil. Anyone, it doesn't matter. And you need to get some balsamic vinegar glaze. All right? So check this out. This is what we're going to do. Once you make your waffle, you let it sit, cool off, let it get right. So then after that, this is what you do. You sprinkle a little bit of your extra virgin oil on your waffle. Give it a nice glaze. Make it shine a little. So when they bite into it, they'll taste that as well. So after that, it's up to you. When you want to put, how you want to layer it is all up to you. But as you can see from this picture, I layered mine this way. But you can layer yours any way, but just make sure you top it off with the balsamic vinegar glaze. All right, that's all you need. Thank me later. Your guests will love it. All right, love y'all.